Steve Blight, J.Racenstein, and we're going to be talking about the Unger Rinse and Go. And this was developed by Unger, who makes professional tools for the cleaning industry, for the occasional cleaner of your car, or perhaps your business only needs to clean the windows once a month or once every 2 months yourself. The Rinse and Go allows you to use pure water technology at a simple and affordable scale. So the Rinse and Go is going to be doing a opening here to show you what the components are. We're going to be doing the unboxing of the Rinse and Go from Unger. Unger makes professional products for the cleaning industry, and they developed this specifically for occasional use, pure water cleaning, obviously, as it says here on the box, for automobiles, but also for your house windows or your business windows on the outside that you would want to perform a regular cleaning on, and not in a large scale. So inside, what you'll find is a connector hose on the top. This replaces the hose at your hose bib and connects to the unit, all right? And then your hose is going to connect to after the filtration unit. And inside is the filtration unit in a baggie. Nice little handy container here, all right? And with that is a TDS meter. And this TDS meter tells you how dirty your water is and how clean the water is coming out of this unit. When it comes out of the unit, in the beginning it's going to be 0. And you can clean cars and windows up to about 10. And then you need to replace the cartridge, the media inside this, the deionizing resin. So let's look at the replacement resin. Comes in a bag like this, and it's actually in its own bag. So that will be your replacement when you've used up the first component. So we take this unit here and we hook it up on the bottom to your transfer hose that then hooks to your bib. And then your hose that you're going to go rinse with is connected here. And this plug, if you disconnect it, is meant to keep the resin fresh. So the resin will clean the air if you're not using it. Pretty simple little device. Plug both ends when you're finished. Included with the Rinse and Go is this neat little soaper gun. You put your liquid soap and you control how much soap you want with this variable dial on the car for spraying. And then with